Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to see a sum on the calculation of amount to be paid to the executor. Okay. So this is sum number 28 in your exercise. On 31st March 2014, the balance sheet of Pooja, Qureshi and Rose, who were the partners in the firm, was as under. And the conditions on death of a partner given in the partnership deed is given here. His share in the profits of the firm till the date of his death will be calculated on the basis of average profits of last 3 completed years. Goodwill of the firm will be calculated on the basis of total profit of last 2 years. Then interest on loan given by the firm to a partner will be charged at the rate of 6% per annum or rupees 4,000, whichever is more. Then profit for the last 3 years were 45,000 rupees, then 48,000 rupees and 33,000 rupees. Here Qureshi died on 1st July 2014 and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. So we have to prepare Qureshi's capital account to be rendered to his executors. So first what we have to do is we have to calculate the profit share and goodwill, Qureshi's share in goodwill. So working notes. First we have to calculate the profit of the firm. So here we have to calculate it on the basis of average profits of last 3 completed years. So average profit is equal to the last 3 years profit has to be added and divided by the number of years. Okay, by 3. So it is rupees 42,000. Okay, so now the expected profit till date of death has to be calculated from this. So expected profit till date of death. It is out of this 42,000. How many months he was active in the business? He died on 1st July. So till the month of June, for 3 months he was active in the business. So for only for those 3 months we are going to calculate the profit. Okay. So it is rupees 10,500. And out of this 10,500, how much is Qureshi's share? Okay. Qureshi's share is equal to, out of this 10,500, what is this profit sharing ratio? It is 1/4. Okay, so it is rupees 2,625. Okay, so this is the first one. Second, what we have to find out is the goodwill calculation of Qureshi. So we have to calculate the goodwill with the addition of the last 2 years profit. Okay, so the last 2 years profit is 48,000 and 33,000. So the total is 81,000. Now, how much is Qureshi's contribution on this? Qureshi's contribution is equal to 81,000 into 1/4. Okay. So it is 20,250. Now, he has contributed this much, that is, he is sacrificing this much, and the existing partners are going to be gaining, isn't it? So they have to compensate Qureshi. So what should be their contribution? So other two partners, Pooja and Rose. Okay. Pooja's contribution is out of this 20,250, she is going to gain two-third, right? So it is rupees 13,500. Next, how much is Rose contribution out of this 20,250? She is going to gain one-third. So the amount is 6,750. Okay. And here the interest on loan is also given. So the firm has advanced loan to Qureshi of rupees 1 lakh, and we have to calculate the interest also. So we'll calculate interest on loan. So for this 1 lakh, the rate of interest is 6% per annum. And here we are going to calculate it for 3 months. Okay. So it is rupees 1,500. But in the question it is given the calculated interest on loan or rupees 4,000, whichever is more. So 4,000 only has to be considered. Okay. So now we'll open Qureshi's capital account. Qureshi's capital account. Okay. Yes. So now we have to write the balance which is brought down. So in the balance sheet given, the opening capital of Qureshi is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Next, he has to get his share in the profit till the date of death. So profit and loss suspense account. His profit share is rupees 2,625. Next, he has to get the compensation of goodwill contribution. So by Pooja's capital account, she is contributing 13,500, and by the other partner, Rose, she gets a compensation of rupees 6,750. Okay. Now the reserve, the accumulated profits and losses has to be distributed. Same way the reserve also has to be distributed. So by reserve, how much is the reserve given in the balance sheet? It is 2 lakh. So his share, that is Qureshi's share, is 1 by 4. Profit share is 1 by 4. So 1/4 of 2 lakh is rupees 50,000. That has to be credited to his account. Now coming to the debit side, Qureshi has a loan to be paid. So that loan has to be deducted, which is of 1 lakh rupees. And he also has to pay interest on loan. So interest on loan account, rupees 4,000. We consider 4,000 as given in the question because the interest on loan to be charged at 6% per annum or rupees 4,000, whichever is more has to be considered. So that is why we take 4,000 as interest on loan. Now we will balance. Okay. So the balancing figure here should be transferred to the deceased partner's executor account. Okay, so Qureshi's executor's account. So we are transferring the amount, the balancing figure to the executor account only here. Okay, so the balancing figure is 68,875, right? So the same amount 172.75. Yeah. So this is how we are transferring the amount payable to the deceased partner's amount to the executor's account of the deceased partner. Okay, this is how we have to prepare the capital account of the deceased partner and transfer it to the deceased partner's executor account. Thank you, children.